Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about women's violence. आजकल के मॉडर्न टाइम में भी वुमेन्स इतनी ज़्यादा हराश की जाती हैं कई घरों में बिकॉज ऑफ डाउरी। डाउरी ना देने की वजह से बहुत सारी फीमेल्स ऐसी हैं जिनके ऊपर बहुत तरह के अत्याचार किए जाते हैं, मारपीट की जाती है, उन्हें जला दिया जाता है। अपने इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आप सभी से हाथ जोड़कर रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि इस सब को रोकने में आप मदद कीजिए। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द ट्यूटोरियल। मैं अपने राइट साइड पे एक ब्राइडल लुक दिखा रही हूँ और अपनी लेफ्ट साइड पे मैं बिल्कुल बर्न्ड फेस दिखाऊंगी। एक साइड पे ऐसे लगेगा कि ये स्किन एक तरफ से बिल्कुल जली हुई है बिकॉज ऑफ वुमेन harassment. So with the help of a lip pencil, I just divide my face into two. यहाँ पे लगा लेनी है, अपने पूरे फेस के ऊपर ग्लो लगा लेनी है। मैंने ये टिश्यू पेपर जो मैंने कट किया था यहाँ पे प्लेस कर रही हूँ मैं इसे ऑन दैट साइड। आपकी एजेस जो है वो बिल्कुल भी हार्श नहीं होनी चाहिए। अगर आपकी एजेस हार्श होंगी तो नेचुरल लुक क्रिएट नहीं होगी। सो बी केयरफुल विद योर एजेस। बहुत अच्छे से आपने इसे प्लेस करना है ताकि ये बिल्कुल भी उतरे नहीं। जहां जहां पे मुझे लग रहा है हार्श एजेस लग रहे हैं मुझे, मैं वहां पे टेप लगा लूंगी।
I picked the Dr. Tape for this purpose because the Dr. Tape glue is little less, so it may not harm to my skin more. Now I apply glue over it. Then I just take a tissue paper and cut half of that. I basically covering this area with some tissues, some cottons. I'm laying the tissues directly flat onto my skin firstly and then gently apply glue over it. I adding layer by layer tissues randomly on my this side so that this area pop up more as it looks more naturally burnt effect. And then just with the help of glue I set my whole base on my this area. I simply laying the tissues directly flat onto my skin, then I adding some cotton randomly to create wrinkles and adding some textures to it so that it looks more natural, and I created a burnt effect naturally. I'm just laying more cotton, more tissues randomly on my this side, applying glue and set up all over my face. I adding randomly all the tissues, cottons because I want this area more pop up and it look like more natural. I'm going to work section by section with my slowly hands because this is very sensitive area, so I work very slowly on it. I adding layers and layers. Next I'm going to apply some foundation. This time I use MAC BB cream and with the help of a dabbing brush I dab it all over my skin very well. Next I'm going to apply another layer of foundation, but this time I pick up the darker shade because I want to create a more natural burnt skin, covering the whole surface so as cotton and tissues may not be visible and matches my skin tone. Another side I'm going to apply a layer of foundation. Next I apply concealer to highlight some points onto my face and blend it really very well. Next I'm going to contour my cheekbones, my forehead area and on the inner corner of my eye. Now I simply used Krylon fixing powder to fix up my all the base very much evenly. Next I pick the dark maroon eyeshadow color and I apply on the inner border of the partition so that it creates an illusion that the skin is very badly burnt. I work more on under the eye area and on to center part of my nose because I want that this area highlight the most. Next I'm going to stipple it randomly to show the burnt marks on my face. It shows the burnt effect under my lips too. Next on another side I do my eye makeup. I just created a cut crease eye makeup look. For this purpose I pick up the red color, then I used concealer, then I used a golden shimmery color to pop up my eye look. Next I also went on created a winged eyeliner. The same shade I work on my waterline. I wore a red color bindi. Next I plotted red colored dots around my eyebrows to complete this bridal look. I also put some dry sindoor on my forehead. So that's it everyone. This is the look which I created. I want to spread awareness because I want my country came out of the dowry system so that no girl should be a burden to her father. I am glad that I created this makeup look.